Alrighty, welcome back. Today it's all about creating the Levain-Style chocolate obsession cookies. These baby monsters weigh in at 6 ounces apiece and will be sure to impress your friends and family. Let's begin by adding butter that's been set to room temperature, brown sugar, granulated sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Pure vanilla extract. And to expose the flavor of the butter, we'll add a pinch of ground nutmeg. Set mixer to low to bring all ingredients together. Once ingredients are combined, scrape the bowl. Set your mixer to medium speed until all ingredients present a smooth texture. With the mixer still running, add 1 egg at a time until fully incorporated. Set mixer to low speed and slowly add all flour and cocoa powder at once. Now for a blend of semi-sweet chocolate chip, white chocolate chip, and peanut butter chocolate chip to give a variety of flavors in our final cookie. Batter will come out thick and dense, and which will help hold the cookie structure. Firmly roll baseball-sized balls of cookie dough. If you have a kitchen scale, weigh each cookie so they are a true 6 ounces. Arrange 6 cookies on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover with plastic wrap, and allowing cookies to chill overnight in the refrigerator will give a moist cookie in the end. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Once ready, set cookies into the oven and bake for 22 to 24 minutes. Cookies are done when toothpick comes out clean. Once out of the oven, allow cookies to cool for 10 minutes. Then transfer to a wire cooling rack. And there you got it, coming at you with 6 ounces apiece, the Chocolate Obsession Levain-Style cookie. Once again, thanks for hanging around. Please click the like button, and if you'd like to see me make something or have any questions about what you saw today, please drop a comment down below, and at no cost to you, please subscribe so you can stay tuned with what's coming at you next. From here on out, have a good one.